Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Wow, it's been a long time since I've made jewelry. I took a 2-year break because all of my clients were like, during the COVID thing, were like, call me in a year. I was like, what am I supposed to do in a year? But anyways, I'm back to making jewelry. My flex shaft is frozen solid, so I had to break that loose. Then I loaned out my wax pen to a modeler, and he broke it. So I'm trying to super glue the electric part back together. So for Christmas, I wanted to make this shark pendant. So what I've got here is I've got this chain, which is actually kind of boring, and I'm going to put the shark on it. I made this chain a while ago, but it doesn't really have like a tropical water feel for the shark. So what I'm going to do is because it's like flat right there, I'm going to give it a little wave. So let me see what I got. I got these pliers here, and we're going to put a little wave right in it. Right here, one up. Let's see, this is going to be up. And this one is going to be down. Now that we've done all of the links, time to do the shark.